Is the Northerners trying to tag the bombardment to ndị Igbo? Let's find out how this thing they go on. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today not the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Today we are going to jump into the ogbonge news we will get for our hand today. Remember say few days ago a military come outside say na them bomb the village for inside north, and the northern elders, some of them don't come outside say they no go gree o. But the kepu and the information what would they get now, I be say they try to tag am for ndị Igbo and use am massacre ndị Igbo as they have done in years back. But this is the analysis and the what our brother responded to them. We are going to look into this matter. Please try to watch this video that I'm going to play you here from the beginning to end and to understand what is going on in Nigeria.
Kaduna Bömb, a new version of the 1966 Igbo coup propaganda. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly follow and like my page, as this page only speaks the truth. Let's find out who authorized the Kaduna bombing and who is the commander of the GOC 1st Division Kaduna. Is it an Igbo man or a Yoruba man? Yes, it's Bamidele Alabi, a Yoruba man, not Vincent Okoro, an Igbo man. But Abado idiots are applying their ethnic bigotry, like they did in the 1966 Tasi Igbo massacre. Before we dive into that topic, first, in Meduguri, they said it was a mistake. In Nasarawa, they said it was a mistake. In Benue, they said it was a mistake. In Katsina, they said it was a mistake. In Kano, they said it was a mistake. In Imo State, they said they are killing IPOBs. When government is deliberately and mistakenly killing innocent civilians, shows the height of evil the government can do. And because the citizens are dull and dumb, divided by religious and politics, the society has been destroyed with no single morality. Dear Northerners and Yoruba, you kill the Igbo in your region because the Yoruba lied about the coup, and with all these killings by mistake, you never published the name of the Air Force commanders. But today, because your Igbo phobia, you are trying to play 1996 propaganda against the Igbos, when a crime was not only committed by the Igbos, but by the Nigerian state during that period. This period, Bamidele Alabi is the 41 General Officer commanding GOC 1 Division of the Nigerian Army, Kaduna, while Major General Vincent Okoro is in charge of 2nd Division, Ibadan. So, how did you guys come up with this conclusion? Today, let's check the names of the coup plotters of the 1966 so that you will not make the same mistake of the 1966 to avoid a boomerang effect. Let me remind you the name of the 14 officers from all tribes who plotted the coup. So you should stop your propaganda and bigotry against the Igbos. Major General Chukwuma Kaduna Nzogu is an Igbo man. Major Adiwale Adimoyega, Yoruba man. Captain G. Adeleke, Yoruba. Major Ifejuna, Igbo. Lieutenant Fola Ayowole, Yoruba. Lieutenant Aro Egbeko, Edo. Lieutenant Tijani Kastina, Hausa Fulani. Lieutenant O. Olafemiya, Yoruba. Captain Gibson, Yalo, Hausa Fulani. Captain Swanto, Middle Belt. Lieutenant Hope Harrison, Egbeha, Ohobo. Lieutenant Dag Waribo, Ijo. 2nd Lieutenant Salah Dambo, Hausa. 2nd Lieutenant John Atom Bare, TV. How did you come up with this propaganda that it was an Igbo coup? Because the Yoruba were in charge of the media and newspaper publication, like they are now. But social media is exposing them. Your problem is religious hatred towards the Igbos and towards others, and that is the reason you are not progressing. Look at Saudi Arabia. They are Muslim like you. Forget about, see how they are progressing. Forget about the 1960s that you collectively massacred 10 million Igbos with the help of the superpowers like Russia, Britain, US, and other countries. It will never happen again. Ojukwu fought against these countries without any help or weapons from others. In this 25th century, the Igbos have access to funds and every weapon you can think of in this world. My advice, stop pushing your bigotry to avoid lightening up the whole country. Because if it burns down, and you will not escape it. This propaganda of the 1960s, when young Nigerian officers of all tribes collectively overthrew the government, and it was tagged Igbo coup that saw the retaliatory attack and killing of 10 million Igbos, which the criminals, the British criminals reduced the number to 3 million Igbos. Understand this, God created the Igbos to save and liberate all of you. Like China is protecting and liberating the Asia countries. US is liberating the North and Southern hemisphere. I get the same way you have tagged Kaduna bombing to Igbos is what happened in 1966. My advice to the Northern and the Yoruba, take what you have stolen from the Igbo land and let the Biafra go, or you will lose all of them. Because in life, there is a gap between what you are trying to do and the ability to do it. Lower your goals of fighting the Igbos or stopping Biafra because it is unrealistic. It is better we have a peaceful country or a peaceful separation. Share this video so that we...
Yeah, my people, no be smarty, no. Sure you don't hear them for your own ear of waiting they go on and the level where this country done dey and the things where they plan against the Igbo. So if you are an Igbo person out there, you are living in the north, you have to be very, very careful. If you live in the Lagos, because the country will be say they no be one, but because of the resources where they for the other side, they try to make them by force one. But however, we dey here to bring you Ogbonge news as they hot. The best thing for Nigeria is round table. Everybody deciding fate of how we wanting things to be used. If not, this hatred where we say where they work out for inside everybody, you go end up nowhere. But only to one I go remember be say no be that time where we say other international big other countries join come commit this kind of thing for inside Igbo land, inside Biafra. But this one we una dey plan now, we go over una because we will dey everywhere. We no go further our hand where they buy our people. We will raise up against you anywhere we una dey. Even for Bodo Igbo, we dey there, we dey wait for una. So it's better all these things go peaceful. But if una no want them, the people are also, nobody is monopoly of violence, but we are trying to be the good people we are. So the Hausa and Yorubas, be careful and tread cautiously. Yeah, my people, share this video and make sure say you follow this channel. Thank you.